everybody, it's me, Gizmo. I just wanted to thank you for coming into my mom's YouTube channel and looking at some cool coupon deals. Hey guys, it's Kimono. A lot of really good deals today over at Walgreens. One snafu we will address, but I was able to get two boosters to print out of the Catalina machine, and I'll tell you how I did that. And we even have a little freebie right here over at Meijer we'll talk about at the very end of the video. And Gizmo is just up here to say hello to everybody. The weather report for you guys, I'm not sure if it really shows it that well, but we had like 12 inches of snow in the last 24 hours. Some pretty challenging driving situations, and that's a whole lot of snow. So hi to my mom if she's watching, and for all of you that live in Southern California or in the Southern United States, Florida, Texas, Arizona, that sort of an area, I hope you are enjoying this snow because there's a lot of it. Okay, so when I got to Walgreens this morning, I did two transactions as I have two different store cards. I had the digital booster of spend 25, get back 6. But I wanted a paper booster to go with because I just wanted the deals to be a little bit more, you know, chef's kisses better. So this is one deal I was gonna do because the Puffs Kleenex with this Vicks lotion, if you ever have a cold or you're just not feeling so great, it's like the really good one to have. So they're those little boxes. And they are 4 for $5. We have a $1 digital coupon that'll bring it down to $4. I threw in a store register reward and I paid tax. It's a very good use of that store register reward that's typically a pain in the butt. So anyhow, when I did that, I got back a, I think it was like $8 back when you spend $35, which is a really good one. Picked up one of these chintzy candies for 39 cents, and on this store card I got back a 9 back when you spend 40, so I'm gonna have to really zhuzh up that basket. But that's what I did right off the bat to see what would print, just to try stuff with the Catalina machine. If you are doing deals with boosters, I recommend you do that. And if you don't do deals with boosters or you never get them, what I would recommend is to do this Puff deal, because if you ever do get the cold this winter, this is just quite healing for your nose because it has that Vicks medication in it, and it's just a little comforting if you ever like suffer with like a lot of congestion, that sort of stuff, and Lord knows that's around right now. So this is my $35 basket, guys, and I grabbed 2 of the Colgates, and these are, I'm just gonna go through the deals if you wanna do the deals on their own. This is the one that I would do. I would do Puffs and the Colgate. These are $2.99 a pop, so for 2 of them, that's $5.98. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and then you get back a $3 register reward, which is a manufacturer one, so it makes it free. That's the only deal I would do. If you have a booster, I would do like a larger deal. So for this one, guys, I paired the spend 25, get back 6 booster, which is digital, along with the spend 35, get back 8, which is a paper booster. So I obviously got the toothpaste for $5.98. I grabbed 2 of these bar soaps for $13. We have a 2 off of 3, and when you buy 2, you get back a $4 store register reward. Unfortunately, that did not print out for me, so the very nice manager credited me actually 5 because they can't credit 4, so that was super cool. I grabbed 2 of the Dove shampoos. They are 2 for $8, $4 a piece. I got a shampoo and a conditioner. And we have a 3 off of 2 digital, and then $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Persil, this is kind of a sore one for me. They are $4.99 a pop, and when you buy 2, you get back a $4, or you get back $2 Walgreens cash. No digital coupons for this, but I know in the savings insert there is $2 coupons, but I didn't have any to use. So just going through my basket of what I got, here it all is in its glory. So the 2 Percils, the 2 shampoos, the 2 Olay, and the 2 Colgates. So the total for all of this merchandise is $36.96. I got the cashier to scan the 8 back when you spend 35, plus I had the digital 6 back when you spend 25 loaded. I had $8 of digitals that came off, a 3 off a 2 for the Dove, a 3 off a 2 for the Colgate, and a 2 off a 2 for the Olay. So I paid $28.96 with my debit card. And then I got back $14 for the boosters, 8 for the 35, 6 for the 25. Plus I got an additional 2 back for the Dove and 2 back for the Persil, $3 register reward for the Colgate, and then 4 for this. It didn't print for me. The manager gave me 5. So for me, it was $2.96 for the 8 items. It would be $3.96 if this prints out. I'm thinking sometimes with the bar soap, it doesn't print. So if you got the regular body wash, it would probably be a-okay. But yeah, it's just kind of a bizarre one for me. But I'm very happy with this. Try putting together a $40 basket as well to use both of the boosters on my store card. I did this on my husband's today. And then, yeah, that's it. Very delighted with this little haul and to get some of these items at such a rock bottom price. Here's something funny. I haven't been hauling Persil detergent for a really long time, and this is the one thing people ask for all the time is Persil. So it is a detergent. I believe it was like, initially it started off in Germany or something like that, but people say this is even better than Tide. So there is my Persil. Okay guys, so if you had any wonder about Christmas merch, I talked to a manager today and I was told that it was all packed up and sent back to head office. And there's a lot of people that have larger businesses that do retail arbitrage, and they bid on these larger units of shelf pulls from different seasons over at Walgreens, and so they'll buy multiple stores, these shelf pulls. So I think that's where it went, and this clearance was possibly one of the weirdest I've ever experienced. Also, some clearance finds that I found in the store. 69 cents for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, $1.09 for the Cheerio. So it's a little bagged cereal, I guess a little bit more environmentally friendly. I didn't buy them as I'm always talking about the keto diet, so I do not need that temptation in the house, but if you're a cereal kind of shopper, you might want to look for that. And I also wanted to take a peek at the K-Cups, BOGO free. It's not all of them. It's only certain ones. It's the ones that are like $9.49 for 12. So you'll basically get 24 for like $9.49. And that is not a bad price point. So if you are a Keurig coffee drinker, Green Mountain, and then the donut shop, everything that's like expensive, that's the BOGO free. So sorry to give you that news, but maybe use some Walgreens cash, get right to 10 and, laugh all the way to the bank and back. Store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. We have this little razor that's on clearance for $3 and some change. We have a $4 digital coupon. You had to load that coupon last week. It's no longer available to load, but it essentially will make this product completely free if you have the digital coupon loaded. Okay, so this lavender one is $3.14. We have that $4 digital, so it'll reduce down to the cost. And I think that in one of the Smart Source or maybe a savings insert, there might have been a similar $4 coupon recently. So if you want to try that, it'll just reduce down to cost as well. Only 2 like paper coupons or insert coupons per transaction over at Meijer because they have a million coupon rules. But here is the digital coupon if you might have loaded it. Guys, that's it for this video. Be safe out there, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.